Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I'm staying in Filey for a couple of days and I thought, while I'm here, might as well do a few caches. So this is day one. I'm on to the first one. It's called Oak Sculptures and it is just shy of 350 metres away. Let's go looking. It's early September as I record this. Early doors as well. It's only about 7:30 in the morning. A few people out walking dogs and so on the beach. And it's the tail end of the summer holidays. That up there, that's Martin's Ravine. That's where we're heading. That's making me want to pee. Not far away, about 150 metres. Yeah, I know we're close now. I have to say, that one was all too easy. It was right in plain sight. The hint was hidden within the fence, and it was more on top of the fence than in it. So, yeah. Anyway, while I sign this up, oh, it's a bit wet. It's a bit wet. I'm not going to be signing that one. Well, it's the next morning now, and it's quite a nice bright morning compared to yesterday, which was a bit grey. So I'm going off to look for one called Just a Stroll in the Park, I think it is. Let's go looking. So it looks like this one is a little bit more urban. Not too far away. I haven't walked around this area for a long time. It's a nice little estate in Filey, is this. Very bungalowy. Is this a sign? Quite close now, less than 90 metres away. Oh dear, I've done one of those things where you stumble across a dead end. Bugger. So I need to be over there. Gotta find another way to it. There's a lot of colour in there, isn't there? Quick true story, local history for you. Well, my history. When I was a young lad in the 80s, came up here on my rally chopper, went over the handlebars on a gritty trail, and had suspected 2 broken arms. Right, okay, so it looks like, looking on the map, there is a walk through here, and that's where I'm heading. Right, so this looks a lot more promising in terms of being able to access it. Found it! One of those little tubes that looks like a COVID sample. And the log's a bit wet, but I'll sign this and put it back. Right, so I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. 89th find, not bad. Marching towards 100. On to the next one, which is called Righty Tighty Lefty Loosey. Problem with this one is I've got to go all the way into Filey to go back out over the railway track. It has recently been found, which is good. Let's go looking. Now the app's saying it's only 530 metres away from here, but that's showing it as the crow flies. And unfortunately, we can't do this as the crow flies because the train track's in the way. So according to the app, it is literally just less than 400 metres over there. But we've got to go all the way down there and all the way round to get to it. Tell you what, I haven't hyperlapsed anything on here for a while. Let's hyperlapse this bit. Right, that's a bit better. 190 metres or so. Thankfully I realised I didn't have to go all the way around and that there were some shortcuts I could take. So that made things a bit easier. So this area here is all part of Filey Dams, which is a nature reserve. A lot of water in there, as you can probably tell from the reeds. And the cache is close by. Well, I've given up the ghost on that one. Had a look around all of this railing area. I've had a look in the activity log so I know what I'm looking for, which is a nut, and the clue is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And besides, people are saying that they can't get it open to sign the log anyway. But I have been all the way along this railing. I've looked at these signs, I've looked on the fencing on the other side. Can't see anything. And I've got seriously ticketed because all these brambles are out, so I'm feeling a bit scratched and clawed. So give up the ghost on that one. On to the next one. Right, I'm not far away from this one. It's called Swan Sighting. It's only about 200 metres away, I think. I'm not holding out much hope, oddly enough, because this one too has some did not finds in the activity log. So yeah, I'm not. Doesn't look too promising, unfortunately. But might as well go and have a look, eh? Always helps if you go in the right direction, Carlos. Is it here? So if I can actually get to it from the end of this road area, I'm not far off. There's a duck down there, Mart. Well, unfortunately, there's no joy with that one either. So I figured, while I'm here, there's a heron and stuff out there. I've got my binoculars with me. I might as well stop and have a quick look and enjoy the do a bit of bird watching, bit of twitching. It's not really my thing, but I do quite like looking at nature anyway. So yeah, unfortunately 2 DNFs. I hate ending these on DNFs, but it's the way it goes sometimes. If you like this little video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification. All it means is when you open up YouTube, you get a little notification just to say I've uploaded another video. And it costs you nothing. How fabulous is that? Okay, thank you so much for watching. You take care. Cheerio.